In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage on TradingView Paper Trading. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to simulate different trading strategies and evaluate their potential risks and rewards without risking real money. Let's dive into the process and get you set up with the right leverage for your paper trading needs. First things first, make sure you have your TradingView chart open. This is where all the action takes place, and you'll be making all your changes right here. Once you're on your chart, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. There, you'll find the Paper Trading panel. This panel is where you can access various settings related to your paper trading account. You'll notice a gear icon that represents the settings. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's your gateway to customizing your paper trading account to better suit your trading style and objectives. Once you're in the settings, you'll find a range of options, but our focus today is specifically on setting up leverage. Now, in the leverage settings, you'll be able to specify exactly how much leverage you want to use for your paper trades. Leverage essentially allows you to increase your exposure to the market without needing to invest more capital, but it also comes with increased risk. It's important to choose a leverage level that aligns with your trading strategy and risk tolerance. If you're unsure, it might be helpful to start with a lower leverage and gradually adjust as you become more comfortable and experienced with your trading approach. Once you've selected your desired leverage setting, the next step is to make sure you save your changes. You'll find a Save button within the Settings menu. Clicking this will ensure your new leverage setting is applied to all future paper trades. It's a simple but crucial step that makes sure your adjustments are put into effect. And there you have it. You've now successfully changed the leverage on your TradingView paper trading account. This new setting allows you to explore different trading scenarios and strategies with varying levels of risk, all without putting your actual capital on the line. Remember, practice makes perfect, and paper trading is an invaluable tool in your trading journey. It allows you to refine your techniques and build confidence, preparing you for live trading when you're ready. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your TradingView paper trading leverage. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips to enhance your trading experience. Happy trading!